Good mood kayo siya. Good mood kayo. Ha? Wala ka gitugnaw na? Wala ka gitugnaw? Ha? And good morning guys, sis. Good morning guys, sis. And good morning guys, sis. Tugnaw kay si mami. Ako wala dyan. Pero sa head na ni mo nakaana eh. Ano? Wow. Gabi tugnaw kay sis, no? Kamu wala mo gitugnaw. Murag lain akong lawa sa katugnaw. Sinadi na to. Tugay na to gabi eh. Ang night ride pa na sila. Panatugog sa'yo eh. Si Jed. Say hi to the vlog, si Jed. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Say hi, knock, knock. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Say hi. Na hi, good morning. Hi. Ilang. Sa'yo kayo nagduwa sa laway. Sabi guys, says good morning. Good morning, say good morning. Nail cutter mi guys, says kahit taas naman saya. Oh, kuko. Wait na ka, minutes. Ano sana? Oh, inani kalisod nail cutteran si Zed Estenso. Oh, wait sa, oh. Tara, la, sige. Yayay dyan ka, sige ka gara-gara. Yayay ka. Listen to mommy, listen. Don't move. Oh, it's dirty. Ew. It's dirty. You're kukuhin. It's too dirty. Ano sa nak-nak? Oh, look at this one. Dah. Diba? Oh, wait a minute sa ni mommy. Wait sa, oh, look at this one. Ala. What's this one, anak? What is this one? No. Ouch! 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 Here, the other one. Ouch! Ouch, mommy. Mommy, where's daddy, nak? Nak, if someone's gonna ask you, anak, how can you reply them? If someone gonna ask you, what is your name? My name is Zed Estenso. How can you ask? How can you reply them? How can you reply them? If someone's gonna ask you, anak, wait sa another one. The other one. If someone's gonna ask you, anak, bata, what is your name, bata? How can you tell them? My name? Oh, no, wait sa. No, knock. No, knock. Wait sa si mami. Oh. Wait sa si... No. Oh. Psst. Wait, ouchie. Sakit. Ouchie, basta if you gonna... Ayaw lagi kay ouchie ni. Don't move sa. Don't move, wala. La. Ka-ouchie. Nana, look at knock. Look at knock. Look at. Zed, someone's gonna ask you, what is your name? Bata? Madla, what is your name, bata? How can you reply them? My name is Zed Estensu. How old are you? How old are you? Wait, Sami. Oh, look at this one, oh, your kuko. Last one. Last one na. Look at this one. Last one ah. Last one. Yes. How big is baby Z? How big is baby Z na, Papa? Call Papa, B. Call Papa. Call Papa, nak. Call. Call Papa, nak. Where is Papa? Call Papa, call. Hi. Call Papa. How can you call Papa? How can you call Papa? Papa. And good morning, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi. Look at them. Hi, everyone. Hi. Oh. Sige. Guys, ako siya gibutangan og head protector niya. Look at that. Di ba siya ganahan sa mukha nun siya? Oh. Ang palangga ni ba? At bless you. How big is baby Z? So big. Hay, maugin di akong gipaabot, guys. Kanang bitaw mag-love lang ko na always akong naanak. Kaya ma-work man si mami nak, no? Mami, you always work, mami, oy. Today is Sunday, man, so it's baby time. It's baby Z time. Call, daddy, call. What's that? You want to drink the milk of mommy? I don't have milk na already. I don't have milk na. Na, daddy, call daddy, call. Call daddy. Daddy? I want to eat na already, daddy. Appear. Baba. Tuboy lang ilang. Tuboy lang ilang. Appear, mami, appear. Appear, oy, dili na. Kuan. Appear. Ano? Appear. Tanaw nang. Appear. Flying kiss. Ikaw. Put it into your mouth and then kiss. Tuboy lang. Tuboy lang. Where are you going? Shh. What's that? No, it's dirty. Bless you.